Oh no, the cat coming. Bro, I know you hear that dirt bike. I thought that was a Latte. I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought that was a Latte. Oh my god. They came in deep, I ain't gonna lie. This might be a video, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's funny, you know how he had all them other cars too, Seven. We didn't care about that, we cared about the cats.
They can't.
I ain't gonna lie, they kinda came in deep. It took you long enough. So we got a video now. Yes sir, yes sir. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
I don't know if I can do it.
You can do it, man. You scared to do it, YouTube. YouTube. Look, bro, the cop came back because of y'all.
He came back this way.
He said we got 2 cats here. GSP, be ready.
Oh, that nigga coming down here.
Oh, why he coming down here?
Oh, yeah, I'm getting the tags. Oh, yeah, those tags are fine.
I'm ready, cops.
Oh,
Bro, this is the worst time.
100%. Are we shocked?
Because of y'all.
It's us. Run the tags. Run them. They don't come back clean.
At least get him. I'm tired of him. Oh, hey. What is that?
He said
No parking.
Hey, Bryce. Just pull right there. I want to record him. Hey, that thing gonna be big. You scared of dogs? How you scared of dogs? That's a little cute thing.
You're literally scared of this?
Nah, that thing get big. That thing get big.
That's a different story. We're talking about this right now.
I don't
You're
care.
scared of
That
right
thing, he already big.
You never know.
now? You're right. He'll eat you.
No, in the back. See? He don't listen. He don't listen. He's dangerous right now. Oh, no.
He's so independent. You know, he be walking himself.
You don't know where he at. Oh, snap. He is so confused. Why's he doing this?
I told you he be walking himself. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, see? Yeah, that's this shit right there.
He just does. He's still learning.
Okay. How old is he?
11 people.
11. There's no excuse. There's no excuse. I should tell him park next to the Honda.
The park is over here.
I think they are. Oh, yes, sir, we upgraded. I didn't hit you that hard. No, I did. Yes, sir, park next to the Honda. Oh, you serious?
I wouldn't go for that.
Me personally? No. You got a Honda. You see, I'm a detailer. What?
I'll give it to you.
What?
You brought the dogs out.
I told you.
You brought the dogs out.
I
You
have
brought
no-
the dogs out.
I have no
You brought the
reason
rest
to
of the gang
I
out.
don't know. They can see. Like, you tall.
What's that, Kent Corsa? What the fuck?
Yeah, right there. I didn't think I was gonna make a video, but once they came, you know, once the cats came, can they park next to the Honda? Oh, you feeling shiesty, huh? You feeling shiesty, okay. Oh, snap.
Bro, my car dirty as fuck, nigga.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie, it's bad. Oh my god, it's bad. Huh?
He said he wasn't. He said he was. He couldn't believe it.
What I say?
He said he wasn't pulling up.
I didn't say nothing. I didn't know.
Oh shit!
Bro, we burning.
Oh, right here. Like my phone. I ain't even got to
Stay away from him.
Yes, sir. Honda gang. You think it's Jamaican food? Cause
I'm like, y'all ain't gonna touch that because.
I didn't even show up no cars. All the good cars are back there. That truck. Do y'all like slam cars?
Yes.
For real?
Yeah.
You too?
Yeah.
You're gonna have like nice.
I wouldn't have one though.
I can't even do it. I can't even do it.
What's your license?
I hate slam cars. I can't even do it. Because you go over a speed, you go over anything. It's over with.
Bro, we should have told BK to pull up. He can't even pull up. He be working, bro.
He can shoot.
This nigga got the Herbie fully loaded.
That thing hard. Got the whole engine out. That thing hard. Oh, this yours?
Nah.
Oh, I
wish.
Shit, nigga, that shit go crazy.
That's just a regular.
I told you it's regular. But he got them skinnies in the front, big tires in the back.
Got the white dice, the fuzzy dice.
No, that nigga can fuck anything back there.
Chill.
This nigga said nigga ain't even no taxi. Of course this nigga. Exactly, nigga. I gotta see that shit.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it's very loud. Why it sound like a Hellcat supercharger? Might as well hit it.
Hit it for the
Right, he don't even like hitting it for real. I think, is that a manual? It might be a manual.
Oh yeah.
Buddy, I remember those Scat Pack dudes, bro. They was like, yeah, everybody think they was gonna get hit, bro. They just did a burnout and took off. Huh? That's what everybody was doing.
Last time.
Yeah,
this nigga funny. I wanna see it. If you trying to race, let me know. Oh, this man. God, if you trying to race, let me know.
They started up.
Give me the vid. I got scared for a second. A race, bro. What's up?
Bro, come on, race. Race.
You got that slow at 5 You got a Honda?
But there's nothing wrong with Hondas.
What you got? What you got? I ain't got shit out here. I want my money. I got the 5 Oh, hell? You trying to race? You trying to race? Y'all niggas ain't putting no bread up, though. We ain't got no bread. I said y'all ain't fitting none up. We can run right now. How you gonna speak money, bro? We can run right now. You don't look like money. How you gonna speak money, bro? I might not look like it, but I bet we go bank out with bank out. We gonna see who win at the end of the day. I hear. We can do that. What? A little bit.
But what did I start, bruh?
I promise you don't want to play with me on that one. Oh, yeah. this shit though right here, bro? Yeah. You don't even know what to do with this though. You know what to do? That's what I'm trying. You know how to handle this? If we put it on the line, we can see. No, like you know how to handle it though? I don't know, but we can find out on that line. You don't know how to handle it. You can't be whipping it, bro. You might as well pass it on to your other man. We can find out on the line though. What's up?
Hey, I'm up for it.
You up for it?
I'll run whoever. Anytime, any day. We can put whatever on the line.
Right, people. That's not it. I hate people on motorcycles. You can make it back. That shit is snake thing. He ain't talking about shit. I'm trying to tell you to stop. They don't know what time it is. They don't know what I hate people on motorcycles. Why the fuck did I really bring them into this? Why did you start this, bro? I don't know. That's your fault. I put a band. You know how much I put it on? I got I'm sorry. You know, we could be cool and all, but I ain't finna lose money. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't gonna sit him down. I was gonna get one of them. Bro, it's a scat pack. This is a scat pack. It's really a scat pack. Right, you're out! I hate people on motorcycles. Where'd he go? Right there. Wait, so no race gonna happen? Hell no. everybody else start some. You done started some. Oh my God. Get me out of this. Get me out of this. Oh my God. Bro, get me out of this. Yeah!
What are you doing? Bro, you cannot do that.
Yo! Bro.
Alright, chill out. Go park. Yeah, go.
Shit, everybody did, I guess. He was just sliding, they got him.
That's tough. That's tough.
How you a Hellcat owner tell him to take it to jail?
That's tough.
I'll stay with sliding too.
Oh, you was gonna do that? Oh, you said not here.
He ain't do nothing wrong. Free him.
I know he's mad. He's going through it. Man, he gonna get his BMW too. I'll take it.
Shit, put that in the auction, bro. Shit, heads or tails for it. Me and you, let's go.
Oh, I'll take that.
Starting bid, 50 fucking bucks.
I'll do heads. I'll take that BMW for him. He'll see in the auction. Man, now you got the camera out. You really put the camera.
Bro, I just had to put a camera out, bro.
This thing wasn't sliding, bro. He got caught. Man's right at the end of the beat. Oh, what he gonna say? Back up?
Here you go, sir. Here's my wallet. Here's my wallet.
Oh, there's another person in there?
So you save him time. You move quickly.
That's worst timing ever. I ain't gonna lie, your video gonna look professional. We getting so close.
Yeah, he thinks.
Bro, look at Tristan. Look at Tristan. This might be my thumbnail.
Bro, how do y'all feel about this?
You know, it's a fucking top. You know, it's damn. I don't know what that race is, but it's probably racially motivated.
You said racially motivated.
Hell yeah, probably racially motivated.
Bro, he wouldn't.
But what if it's the same race?
You would have left his ass.
Huh?
You would have left that nigga. If he put in front of you, you would have left his ass.
Bro,
He already in the car.
I know. What you would have left.
Stayed on it.
I would have left his ass. Bro,
Oh, yeah, my bad. I didn't hear you.
I would have been